Hi, Mark Bruno with Printing News and PrintingNews.com here at Graph Expo 2015, day 2. And joining us now is Fabian Prudhomme from enfocus. Welcome.
Hi, Mark.
Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.
Fabian, first question that I have around the software topic is, a lot of times at trade shows, sometimes I feel like software gets lost in the shuffle. A lot of people are focused on hardware, maybe because that's where the big capital of investment comes from. But I want to talk to you, or you talk to me, about the importance of software, in particular workflow software, especially, here we are almost in 2016 and kind of how it's evolved.
Right. Well, let me ask you, what drives hardware more than anything else? It's software, right?
Right.
It's certainly an evolution I've seen here. Hardware is what it is, but what makes the hardware more efficient and more cost effective is often software. So I would say that idea that software has been forgotten in the mix of hardware and software is certainly not valid anymore. So we see a lot of good business owners coming to the show, especially to look at software and to see how they can get more revenue, reduce their costs, and make their hardware investments more effective. So I would say that software is probably more crucial than ever before.
When we talk about workflow management, workflow software, in your mind, and in enfocus's mind, are there some one or two essential elements that are part of that people should be aware of or people should know about?
I would say key for us is the flexibility and openness of the software. A lot of companies have hardware environments, software environments, and you have closed systems which force you to basically change some of the investments you've made previously. And then you have the open systems, which is one of the segments we represent, that will tell you keep your software, and we'll make sure that the communication is guaranteed between all the software applications that you currently have. So having an open workflow system is crucial, I think.
Let's focus for a moment on one of your more popular products that's been around for a while, Pit Stop Pro, which most people I think are probably familiar with.
Right.
What version are we in now?
13.
13.
Yeah.
Time does fly.
Absolutely.
But my understanding is you've recently gone to a subscription model for that product. Can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. We launched a subscription in April, so less than 6 months, and we reached our first 1,000 subscriber 2 days before the opening of the show, actually. So that's like a major milestone. Wow. It's something that was launched per request of our customers. Pit Stop Pro is used by a lot of individual graphic arts file providers, people that create PDF files after business hours or on the side. And to those people, having to make an investment of $700, $800 for a pre-flight software application was a bit too hefty, which is why we launched subscription. And we see a huge adoption rate, especially in the United States, followed by Western Europe. So we're really happy with this 1,000 subscriptions. We should reach 2,000 subscriptions by the end of this year. And obviously this model is going to transition and evolve into our other software offerings as well.
Interesting. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll look forward. Your booth is right down the road here from us, so we'll have to stop by here when I have some time.
You're welcome. Anytime you want.
And I wish you a good show.
Thank you.
Thanks, Fabian.
Thanks, Mark.